Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today. Today's range test will be on the Nerf Mega Magnus. Seeing that this has 3 shots, I'll have an extra Mega Dart. I'll have an extra Mega Dart for 2 leveled and 2 angled. So after the 3 are gone, I will just do a test fire on whatever's left with 1 extra dart. First shot, leveled. Not bad. Leveled, second shot. Better. Throw this other dart in here. Wait for the wind to die down a bit. Oh boy, it's cold. First shot, angled. Second shot, angled. Alright, let's take a look at the results. Minimum amount of feet for level. For a leveled shot, I think the minimum was, for this blaster at least, was 33 feet. The maximum for an angled shot would be about a little bit less than 50, or a little bit less than 60 feet. So it has good firepower, but in a windy situation, not so much. Or it's not really that windy, but it's still pretty cold and windy. I don't know where that last dart went. So, thanks for watching guys on the Nerf Mega Magnus range test.